Okay, so we're going to shift it over to our lovely Jasmy coin. So Jasmy is trading at 0.09670. In the last 24 hours, we've seen the price kind of come down around that 2% marker, market cap as well, down 2%, and volume is up 4%. So we can see that there has been some gaining interest in terms of Jasmy, but it could be a little cautionary as we take a look at the daily time frame, most importantly, focusing on the previous candlestick. This candlestick is described as a gravestone doji, and essentially the characteristics is a bottom or a body observed at the very bottom. It can have a small little wick as we observe here, or it can have a shaven bottom. Also, the wick at the very top here is twice the size of the body, and it does show that within that 24-hour time frame of our candlestick, we saw a huge drast of price shooting really high up and then sharply fell as well. So it shows us a lot of manipulation here. Possibly a lot of people were gaining with that flow as the price was going up and then sharply just selling off the stock itself, or in this case for the cryptocurrency. So it could be shown as a bearish reversal sign, especially when we take a look at Jasmy in this downwards trend, a rejection from our 20 moving average. So we can almost see the price itself is going through this downwards channel day after day, coming up, retesting this area of resistance, making a lot of lower lows and a lot of higher lows as well. So if we are following the same kind of trend, same kind of pattern, most likely Jasmy is going to come down and follow this channel as well. If we do see a possible trend in terms of our supporting line within our descending channel, then our next target is going to be slightly below the previous candlestick wick at an area of support of our extension of our Fibonacci of 127%, roughly around 0.0099. Now, that's in the bearish scenario if we're looking at this gravestone doji as a bearish reversal sign. Now, when we take a look at the RSI, again, RSI for Jasmy has been day after day, or I guess we're in the weeks now of just very weak momentum. The RSI is hitting around 32%, still not incredibly oversold here, where we could see possible re-signs of a retest of our area of resistance. If we take a look at immediate short term for 4 hours, we could see a lot of sell bearish signals here, especially if we take a look at our indicators. The RSI could possibly see a cross below our signal line, another bearish sign. And if we look at our MACD indicator, these histograms are getting smaller in size and possibly a crossover on our K and our D line, showing a shift of that momentum from that bullish pullback to more of a bearish correction from that pullback. So targets here for us to take a look at is essentially, again, that reaction of the previous supporting line here of 0.00916. These candlesticks were found on April 6th, April 7th, but most importantly found support here on April 3rd. So we're testing the theory of support being tested here. If the bulls are able to rally up and defend this zone, we may see an uptick in retesting the 78% of our Fibonacci, which is at 0.01007. Again, if we do see a close below the previous candlestick body, essentially closer to 0.00958, it is going to put that gravestone doji candlestick in play, and a retracement down to our supporting line is going to kind of be in play in the next 24 to 48 hours. But definitely let me know what you guys think down below. Thanks so much for tuning in. Like and subscribe as well. But hopefully I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.